Hello, guys. This is Trader Sebran here. Welcome to week 46. Okay, now it's been interesting on GU, Euro USD. Um, week 45 was very interesting because a lot of consolidation took place in that week. So we want to look at some few things in week 46 and to see how the market is going to move in our favor. Of course, we also did an analysis on gold and US 30. Gold happened to be playing out well based on the analysis. And also GU played a little bit to our favor based on our analysis as well. But Euro USD has been really interesting in consolidation. So the last week was really interesting though. So this week we're going to be looking at opportunities to cash the trade. Now remember, we are going to be doing the round a roundup peak on the comment section of the previous video, which is video of the week forecast 45 last week. And we want to be doing a pickup today, and the winner will be given a free mentorship by us, and he will have access, or he or she will have access to our course for free. So it's going to be awesome. Whoever that person is, or is going to be, ensure you sit back and watch till the end of this video, because I'm going to be doing the random pickup as soon as we're done with the analysis on this particular video. And guess what? This same video that you're watching now, this one, which is week 46, we're also going to be having a giveaway on it. So ensure you follow the rules. And if you win, you will join our team in the back office. So hopefully we'll meet you soon. All right, guys. So now I'm looking at GU on the screen. Now, before I proceed, just a little bit disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor. I only trade. Just a finance trader. I trade finance, financial market. I'm not a financial advisor. Whatever I analyze today is based on back testing, experience, and results. So I'm going to be sharing what I know, what I've experienced in the market, and due to diligence that I've been putting in the market for a couple of years now. So I think with my understanding, if you put that together with yours, you'll be able to understand what you're doing with the forex market as well. So that's the a very good one there to take home with you. And also, I know many people are using my ID to create a scam social media anchors. Please be careful. Do not fall into any scam. I will never ask you for money. I will never ask you to invest in a crypto or whatever they call it. I will never ask you that. So be very careful. And I will never promise you outrageous return and asking you to bring 1,000 in, and then you will get 5,000 by the end of the month or by the end of the week. I'll never give such an outrageous inconsistent results as a promise. It's not, you can't have that consistently in the market. So that is a kind of a bait to get the greedy guys to fall for those traps. Okay, enough of that. Let's look at the market. So here is daily time frame, and we can see that the daily time frame obviously giving us an interesting push to the upside. If you look at it, we can see that price rejected at this level, breaking this high. First of all, we saw a break of structure here to the upside, a rally around, and then it rejected. Why? At this order block. So price rejected there and smashed all the way down. Now here we can see there's a fair value gap. For those of you that trade ICT, there's a fair value gap there, which obviously is a kind of an order block here, giving us a sign that this is a level where price may be looking to buy. And also we can see a rejection already on the daily, giving us a confirmation of that, especially the candle that just closed. So the question is the market rallying up? We can't just conclude just on that. we need to do some analysis further. So the first thing is we can see is that there's a trend line at the bottom of the screen that I would like to draw your attention to. Just a minute. There's a trend line here that I need to draw your attention to, which price has respected on the daily. And that's very important. And also, if you check to the upside, this is daily time frame. We also have a trend line that has been broken. Okay. So here we could relate to it that the market broke and is pulling back into it like a form of a retest. So on the daily, we already seen a bullish momentum to the upside. But it is not the same on the monthly, because if you check the monthly time frame, we may be going into a major sell at the end of the month. Although it looks like bullish market on the daily, but it's not so on the monthly time frame. So as you can see, if you check this level right here, price reacted at this level, rejected there, and what do you think is going to happen? Price tapping, looking for liquidity on the weekly time frame. This one has been grabbed. This is a major liquidity level on the time frame there. Although the 1 hour is, I mean, the daily is looking very bullish, but it's not going to sustain it if we're looking at it from the monthly time frame. As you can see, this is a potential liquidity level that price may eventually want to come to and tap into, or even break that low or tap into that level, which potentially might be that price comes all the way down and then reject by going back up. That could happen before the buy will happen. But at the moment, this low may not be respected, because this was the worst kind of drop that have ever happened to GU. So we had GU drop to 105, 1.05. That was the lowest ever that price went to for a long time. So I'm not expecting them to drop to that level at this time. It's not what we're expecting, but we're expecting at least they will get to 118, 1.1800. If they get to 1.1800, take out liquidity and start rallying out. Yeah. So I'm expecting that to happen on the monthly time frame. If you check the weekly, again, the weekly appears to be interestingly bullish as well, but not so much of it is dependable, because if you check this level, price rejected and it's coming back again. So we need to observe this week that we're going to get in. Is it going to be a bullish market or a bearish market? Because we already seen that this candle closed bearish last week. This is weekly candle. Last week trade, the market went bearish. And I was saying this in the previous analysis. I said the way the market was pushing up on the daily, I mean on the monthly time frame, when it was just pretty new into the week, 6 days, 7 days into the week, I said you should watch out. This candle may shrink all the way down and then close bearish at the end of the month, and which I think might be. So I still expect that to happen. So at the moment, I'm not really convinced of this buy on GU that daily time frame is showing us. But if you look at the weekly time frame, doesn't mean that the next candle is going to be bullish to take up this high. That means we might engage ourselves in consolidation week again, as it appears last week. Otherwise, if this candle closes now, which is already closed, and market open tonight, and then start going down, we can anticipate a liquidity that will be grabbed on this weekly time frame. So we can see that liquidity could attract price to go down. So for that reason, I will be expecting the market to be bearish this week. I'm expecting the market to be bearish this week. So we're expecting price to drop to that liquidity zone and then and just take it out. If we take it out, then we should be expecting a bearish candle that would do it this week. Remember, we're targeting another liquidity here, which is for the monthly time frame. There's a liquidity pool here on the monthly time frame that also need to be tapped into. So these are the conditions I'm looking at on GU that makes me feel that the buy is a deception because of the previous candle that closes. Assuming the candle weak into a little bit of this percentage, maybe weak into this high, I will expect that the next candle will go bullish. But the way the candle closed, I'm really not comfortable with another candle going up like that crazy. I still expect that the market may want to drop to the downside based on this liquidity that I see on 15 on weekly time frame. Okay, now the daily, like I said, it looks bullish, but I'm very conscious of it. I don't want to tell you that it's a buy market at the moment because of this liquidity. So I'm expecting price to smash all the way down to take out liquidity. And when it does, we will not have something of this nature like this. And then we'll look for a pullback, like a retest into that zone and continue. And then here we will not think of maybe the market want to rally up and then start doing this. This can happen. So again, it is not like it's a ZAC, but I'm expecting something of this behavior due to the weekly and the monthly time frame. So I'm expecting something of this behavior. There may be a little bit consolidation at that 4 hour, 1 hour time, daily time frame. And if you go to the 4 hour, as you can already see, massive consolidation going on. So we can see that there was a consolidation, a drop. So another consolidation, I'm expecting another drop. And what that means on the 4 hour time frame is that even though it looks bullish on the daily, the 4 hour time frame doesn't agree with the behavior of the market. So there could be a consolidation. Of course, it looks bullish here and all of that, but the market on the 4 hour started creating lower high, higher, lower lows. As you can see, it dropped and then created a structure here, dropped again, pushed back up, drop, break your structure to the downside. We can see it's just tanking down. So there's liquidity pool that is being attracted to, which we already saw on the weekly and the monthly. So for me, I'm expecting more of sell on GU. GU is still bullish, it's still bearish, even though it's neutral. What I mean by that is, if you look at the overall behavior of the market, it looks neutral. The market is acting up. So there are liquidity here as well that the market, this is 4 hour liquidity pool that need to be taken. Again, more, even though we had a little grab that took place there, but we still have more liquidity that need to be grabbed as well. So it's just the way you, of course, there's liquidity to the upside as well. There's liquidity to the upside. The market could take that out, reject at that trend line and drop all the way down this week. So do not be just casual to think it's going to just quit buying to the upside. It could be, but I know the smart money concept will tell you the market is going to buy on the daily. It looks like it is going to buy on the daily. Rejection from the fair value gap. So the next stop loss, take profit will be here, and the other take profit lastly will be here. It could be, but here's my point. Let's assume you're going to do a lot of watching before you enter the trade. Let's say we're looking at this fib here. Price already reacted, rejected. So the question is, this is the daily. So I'll go to the 4 hour. Sorry, guys, let me remove this trend line so that I can make it a little bit cleaner. I'll go to the 4 hour. What I'm expecting is this, right? This is the fib. So what I'm expecting is this. I'll move this fib into this region. Okay. If it's going to buy at all, I want this candle to break above. I want this push up to break above 61. Give me a pullback or a retest on it, and I'm going to buy. Otherwise, I'm not buying GU. And that's what I'm looking for. If it doesn't break that 61 above and it rejects and start dropping, it's a sell market. It's still going to remain a sell anyway. So for me, I need to see that break above, retest back in it, and then it may even take out liquidity if you want. Okay, it may take out liquidity if it wants to do it. Let it take the liquidity here. Liquidity, it could do that. That could happen. That doesn't mean that you just have to. If you're already on a buy here, that's great. But if you're waiting for price to push up and pull back in, and then that will be my opportunity to buy. This is what I will be looking for if I'm looking for a buy. So there are two options here, guys. The market could buy, the market could sell. But based on the analysis, that's why we'll be having consolidation in the lower time frames, because we see that the market is a bit bearish on the higher time frame, and within the higher time frames is divided into two. There is a bearish line, there's a bullish line. In other words, the monthly is bearish, the weekly is bearish, but the daily is bullish, the 4-hour is bullish. So the question is, which one would you want to go with? And that's where the consolidation is. So we need to see an agreement within those time frames. And while you are day trading, this is the only thing you want to pay attention to. Watch out for liquidity pools and watch out the big moves to the upside. And if price break above this 61, a retest on it will be a good opportunity to buy. Otherwise, no buying. But if price do not break above and tap into this level and rejects to the downside and take out liquidity, then where it's going, it's still going to be down there. It's going to sell. And that's why you have to join my CB Trading Lab, where we share our daily analysis to ensure that we are catching up with trades. So if you're not there yet, ensure you hit the link in the description to join CB Trading Lab, where you will receive daily analysis of trade, setup, entries and exit points. And also you will receive videos on detailing on why and how I'm getting into the trade. Very important. So the link is in the description. I think that's what I have to say on GU. Then Euro USD. Now on Euro USD is a beautiful, interesting thing, because we already anticipated that the market was going to come break down this level, but it just ended up consolidating at this pool. So let's look at the monthly time frame. First of all, let's look at the monthly time frame, and then I'll show you what I'm looking at. Now, last week we did an analysis on this, and I want to show you the bigger picture. So we said this was a downtrend on the monthly time frame. The market is still selling, so we're still expecting more sell on Euro USD. Why is that? Because this is a drop that happened, and with this smash drop taking out liquidity, that structure break, this was a pullback into 61. So with this pullback into 61, we can anticipate more drop to the downside, and that's what I anticipated last week. So we see the market is still consolidating within that zone. So let's go to the weekly. If you check the weekly, just the way I marked it last week, which is week 45, I also see that I'm expecting price to come all the way down, break, retest, or whatever, break out of this zone. This is a consolidation zone. But I said if price break below, away, this is 38 fib retracement, that black one, and if it does that, we should be expecting a pullback, right? But this is a weekly candle. So let's look at the daily. If you look at the daily, we can see that the price consolidated for a few days last week. It couldn't just push all the way down, but we anticipate that the market will trade all the way down. So if you can look at where price is at, we want to see that price break below the 38 fib from the monthly time frame, and then to be able to catch that trade. So the best thing you want to do, let me take this out, is to have a trend line somewhere of that nature, and expect price to break below that trend line. A retest would be nice, and you target this liquidity. So what I'm looking at on the 4-hour now will now be this. So this is better placed. So let's place it well like that. So now that's what we're looking for. We're looking for price to break below this trend line and then we'll be looking for more opportunity to sell. So what that means is price take out the liquidity pool here. You got to take it out and then pull back, and then we'll look for opportunity to sell to target the bigger pool of liquidity. So this will be the anticipation of Euro USD. We're looking to trade from looking at that push to the downside, targeting this liquidity low. So you could target this liquidity low here, and that will be your TP on Euro USD. So again, the possibility of price playing out like this is to watch. You got to sit down, watch, and see what the market is doing. Set an alert every way you want. You can set an alert here to see a break of structure. Just set an alert there. You want to see a break of structure there. And when it happens, you want to wait for a pullback before you get in. Or you can literally get in if you want. I think that's what I have to share with you on Euro USD and Gbpusd. Now, next thing is just to quickly look at the fundamentals of the week. We're looking at on Monday, which is 13th. There's no news, no reports. Then on Tuesday, we have some reports, and CPI is coming strong. So if you don't know what you're doing, please do not trade during this time. Stay away from the market. By 1 o'clock, close out all your trades and get out of the market. And on the 15th, which is Wednesday of it, we have price giving us a lot of reports here, which is CPI again on by 7 o'clock. By then, you should be waiting for a market open before you trade anyway. So 1:30, we still have PPI, major news coming in, PPI coming in, and it's going to be strong in the market. So again, I say to you, ensure you trade wisely. If you know what you're doing, you can trade it. If you don't know what you're doing, stay away from the market. And also on Thursday, we have 130 unemployment claim. For those of you that trade Euro AUD, you also have news coming in by 12:30 a.m. That will be in the morning for those of you that trade Asia session. So we see that on Friday, we have GBP news report coming in, retail sale, and that will be it for the week. So we have a lot of fundamental reports coming in this week that you need to pay attention to. Remember, these things move the market greatly. So I wish you a good trading week 46. Remember the raffle draw now. So let me do the raffle for the week. Who won? So the video is this. This is the video here. I will just click to copy the link. That's the video. All right. And we will paste it on this comment section here. Paste. Now we just need a winner. So we're going to select the video first. Let's pick the video. This is the video. And we're going to fetch the comments. Let's fetch the comment. There are 18 comments in total, and that is nice. So we just want to pick one random winner. Okay, some people have multiple, they enter comment several times, so it had to filter that. So we don't have just one person at a time. So now get ready. Who is the winner? Roll the drum. The winner is Aliu Wayojo. Okay. Aliu Wayojo, congratulations. You have won the comments. What did he say? Having you as a mentor is one of the best gifts I can have. And you got it. You got it, Aliu. Congratulations. Listen, all you need to do is to get in touch with me, okay, and ensure you comment. I'm gonna look for your YouTube comment now, and I'm gonna comment on that to say congratulations, and then you're gonna reply and also contact me on my Telegram. So hit me up on the Telegram and give me your name, and also to confirm your name, you have to give 1 or 2 documentation just to verify your name that it is you also, and then we'll be able to sign you up. Congratulations, Aliu. Congratulations. All right, guys, the rest of you have an opportunity on this week on this week week 46. So enjoy and congratulations. Say congratulations to Aleo again one more time. I'll see you guys in the next one. Until then, keep trading wise. Remember, we're going to be doing another video which is on gold and US 30. So watch out for that. Bye for now, guys. Bye. I'll see you again later. Bye-bye.